Hi, I'm the Canadian cooking in the USA, eh? And as you can tell, we've just had a 4th of July, and it's been rather hot. So I thought, because I think a lot, it would be a great idea to do something with apples. What is more American than apple pie or some variation of a nice, easy to make dessert or treat or even food? If it's this hot, it's good to have a plan or a backup recipe that you might need. What if the power goes out? This is a recipe that you could use your slow cooker to make. The ground temperature, if I use my little thing here, 170 Fahrenheit. That is what? 76 Celsius? Boy, you gotta wear shoes. My goodness, wow, that's pretty warm. So, this is my slow cooker. You can cook with it even outdoors in the middle of the daytime. You don't even have to plug it in. And I'm going to show you how. You are also going to need an apple peeler, slicer, corer. This is a handy little gadget. I'm going to start by peeling and slicing and coring these beautiful little Fuji apples. There we go. And you don't want to peel them so much that you're losing the inside, so you might want to adjust how much you actually remove. So I'm going to run one through as a test. Oh, that's good. That's working. There's the core. That can go in the compost. There's a knife. Cut this in half. And to our crock pot, I have added a little measure of margarine. This is a cinnamon sugar that I made in an earlier video. You could watch that if you'd like. I'm just going to sprinkle this on that first little bit of half of a bag. You want to at least cover 1 layer's worth of a little cinnamon sugar or some kind of a sugar, because with applesauce, this is unsweetened, so you have to consider the sweetness. Just thought I'd mention. There's the cinnamon, the sugar, and a little bit of margarine added. Now, 1 jar of your applesauce will make pretty close to 4 cups or 1 liter's worth of apple pie-like filling. I don't like to waste anything, so I just added a little bit of extra water from my filtration tap. All right. So 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and I'm just swishing out the rest. I'm gradually going to stir this into a slurry, and then when it's dissolved, I'm going to add it to my applesauce. And I have measured 1 cup of combining golden raisins and regular raisins. These are soft. I just opened them up, so I don't have to pre-soak them or anything. So I'm just going to add the raisins, and they'll land wherever they're most happy in this arrangement. But I'm just going to sprinkle this before I put on the applesauce. There, just so it's through. I'm using a 1/4 teaspoon of each of these secret ingredients. Not for long, right? Nutmeg, ground nutmeg, ground cloves, ground allspice, and ground cinnamon. Right, so here goes the nutmeg, the allspice, and the ground clove. There. And then you add your mix throughout. Just pour it on, and then give your crock pot a shimmy. And then you'll see how it'll then funnel down through the apple slices. Oh yes, okay, just like that. Get all of it out. You'll see little bubbles come up. When the bubbles stop doing that, when it stops breathing, you'll know it's ready for the crust to go on the top next. Make sure that your spices stay down. You just can do that. Excellent. Can you see that? When it looks like that, you're ready for the top. So, to a bowl, you are going to need, I'm using Tupperware. I hope you like it. We are going to measure 1 full cup of rolled oats. These are not the instant kind, but that'll be a good start. And to our oats, 1/4 cup of melted butter or margarine, whatever you have, right? 4 packages of instant porridge, whatever flavor you like. I'm using 2 of each. So maple brown sugar and apples and cinnamon. So those 4 packs of instant oatmeals made the 1 cup addition to our oats. Those go in next. There's our seasonings. I'm going to stir this up and then we'll add it to the top. Now we add our crumbly light top mixture. And if you haven't noticed already, it is 26, 27 degrees Celsius in my kitchen already. Even warmer outside, believe me. Not packing it down or anything, just smooth it around. Lightly like that. We'll put the lid on. And now we're ready to go outside. Let's go outside. Here's our crock pot. We're just going to leave it out. Let it set. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon now. So by 4 o'clock, this will be ready for dinner or as a side with some ice cream on it. Time to dish up. It's ready. Oh my goodness. Apple crisp on ice cream. We're going to give this a taste. You can make an apple crisp with a few apples and applesauce. And this is really good with milk or on ice cream. Tastes like home. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Maybe even subscribe and share it to that friend. Until next time, do take care and au revoir. Apple crisp on ice cream and milk.